Hello everyone. I hope you're fine and safe. Welcome back in English class. In previous video, we have studied the rules of using capital letters in different places. Today, we will study about the different uses of punctuation marks. Read the sentences carefully. The sparrow flew in the sky. He saw a fox, a bear, a tiger and a lion in the forest. What do you need while traveling? What a great fall on the mountains. She said to me, I'm very sad. It is Rohan's book. इन sentences में different punctuation marks का use किया गया है. ये punctuation marks हैं comma, full stop, exclamation sign, question mark, colon, semicolon. इन punctuation marks का use हम अपने sentence के sense को clear करने के लिए, एक्सप्रेशन एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए और अपने सेंटेंस की मीनिंग को क्लियर करने के लिए करते हैं. इसीलिए इन्हें पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स कहा जाता है. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू नो द यूसेस ऑफ पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स वन बाय वन. द फर्स्ट इज यूज ऑफ फुल स्टॉप. फुल स्टॉप इज यूज्ड एट द एंड ऑफ एवरी स्टेटमेंट और इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस, ऑर्डर, रिक्वेस्ट, एडवाइस एंड प्रोहिबिशन. For example, Vansh is an intelligent boy. Come soon. My father lives in New York. Please help me. किसी भी सेंटेंस को एंड करने के लिए हम फुल स्टॉप का यूज करते हैं, बट इसका यूज हम इंट्रोगेटिव और एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस में नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि उसमें क्वेश्चन मार्क और एक्सक्लेमेशन साइन का यूज होता है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज यूज ऑफ कॉमा. फर्स्ट इज it is used to express the shortest pause but always within the sentence, never at the end. कॉमा का यूज हम शॉर्टेस्ट पॉज के लिए करते हैं, लेकिन इसका यूज सेंटेंस में ही होता है, एंड में नहीं होता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Mahul, the son of Rahul, went to work in the field. Rule B is, it is used to separate two or more parts of speech that come together. For example, I bought sweet, biscuits, fruit and coffee. Meena, Ritu, Anu and Sia are friends. Remember, there is usually no comma before the word and. कभी भी and के पहले comma का use नहीं होता. Rule C is, it is used to separate the words put in quotation marks. For example, he said, God is everywhere. We are going out, said mother. I like sweets, said Ramesh. Next rule is, it is used to separate the name of a person called in a sentence. For example, boys, don't make noise. Sharad, do this work. Sarthak, come here. Sohan, do your work. The next is use of question mark. A question mark is used at the end of every interrogative sentence. For example, how are you feeling today? Is she happy at this place? Are you going to school? What are you doing in the room? जब हम क्वेश्चन को पूछने के लिए इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस को राइट करते हैं, तो उसके एंड में क्वेश्चन मार्क का होना जरूरी होता है, क्योंकि बिना क्वेश्चन मार्क के हमारा सेंटेंस अधूरा रह जाएगा. So students, we learn the uses of full stop, comma and question mark. Now, let's move to solve an exercise to understand the uses of full stop, comma and question mark more clearly. See here. Use capital letters and other punctuation marks wherever necessary. First is, the teacher said, I will not teach English today. In this sentence, the first letter of the sentence is in capital, I is in capital and E of English is in capital. Next is, Vidit's cycle is new. In this sentence, the first letter of the sentence is in capital and we use full stop at the end. Third is, Shivam is the boy who came first in the class. The first letter of the sentence, we use comma and full stop in this sentence. I went to home, I opened the door. We use I in capitals, comma and full stop in this sentence. How can I understand your problem? The first letter of the sentence, I, and question mark we have used in this sentence. I hope you understood the exercise. To make you gainfully busy and to enhance your knowledge, let's move to homework now. Use capital and other punctuation marks wherever necessary in the following sentences. So students, I hope you understood today's content. New rules we will learn in next video. So keep on watching and enjoying your English class. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.